We have received a question from Mrs. Poulain, one of our customers. She needs custom fingertips for her machine tending application and wants to know how we can help her. Well, Mrs. Poulain, all of the fingertips we can provide are available in 3D step files on our support webpage, support.robotiq.com. You can use them as a model to customize to your needs. The handy bin IP67 is the recommended gripper for machine tending application, so here's where to find the models of its fingertips. I go to support.robotiq.com, select the Hand E, whichever brand of robot I'm using, and finally click on 3D models. For more details about how to customize the fingertips, we have a dedicated e-learning video that explains step by step how to create a part-molded fingertip using SolidWorks. Finally, we can also help you with designing fingertips. Just contact coach@robotiq.com. Well, Mrs. Poulain, this should answer your question. See you next time.